oops. Hello. Right. Hold on. Let's just. Oh, nothing important. Alright. G4 said to download the drivers. Bang. So I'm gonna be. Nope, and it crashed. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna be doing the rest of my lab. Oh shit, I'm hearing myself. It's pretty cool. So pop this into the. Alright. Please stop. Close the program. Okay. Didn't give me the sending Windows drivers. That's pretty cool. So I have my header file on the left side and my implementation files on the right side. And what I'm going to do is I'm using a REPL to compile this, because this is what happens when I compile it on Visual Studio. Watch this. So I'm pressing F5. I keep getting this dumbass glitch. I keep getting this, dude. It just boils my, it just grinds my gears so much. And I don't think this is bad. Like, from like other things that I've seen, this, I mean, obviously it's not optimal, but it's far from, you know, getting an error every single time. So I used a REPL. I put my code in here. That way I can run it. And then get this. Yeah. Makes it way more easier to debug. And then if I need to debug, I can press F11, and then that still works as intended. See, declaring everything here. The only caveat with this is that I can't use any debugging tools, but that's a necessary trade-off that I'm willing to make. So I just finished my replace function. Sorry, my remove function. If size is equal to cursor, that means the if the size is equal to cursor. So let me close that door. Alright, shit. Alright, that did not do anything. But if size is equal to cursor, then we decrement the size and we decrement cursor. That way it doesn't show up in the thing. That's as easy as I can say it. In the array. So actually, you know what? Let's pull up fucking paint. I haven't pulled up paint in a long ass time. So let's pull out some fucking boxes. Bang, 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 bang. All boxes are created differently. Don't let anyone tell you otherwise. So let's say this has 5, 4, 3, 2. So let's say my cursor is pointing to this, and we can obviously see that this has a size of 4. So this method literally just decrements size, and then updates cursor so that it points to here, and then updates the size so that it only has 3 elements. And it works out because when you do the remove function, look at that. So we have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We run it, and we have 5, 4, 3, 2. Increments. Sorry, I periodically have to listen because sometimes my audio always messes up. Let's keep going. So right now, let's do the replace. I really like doing this, like the if you press that and create definition, because it does it automatically for you. That way, like, you don't have to spend time getting your const data types, new data types, and stuff like that. It saves a lot of time. That's one of the things I like about Visual Studio. Probably will have to move to Visual Studio Code because Visual Studio is really, like, there's just so many glitches with this now. But I digress. So replace, this is probably fairly easy, I'd assume. So I assume it's probably like the same as the, I do have to fix this up. I think it's literally just that. Let's see, replace. It's literally just that, yeah. Alright, so and what I need to do is start doing this shit. That way I can, you know, update the cursor and stuff like that. That way I don't have to, that way it's not replacing just the last one. Can't really, not really a good function if it only replaces the last one. But with that being said, let's, since we're already here, basically today I'm doing like a dry run through, making sure every shit works, and then I'm gonna make it like optimal in terms of, you know, making the code clean, stuff like that, removing all of these like, cause this shit just looks ass. Maybe not, this looks ass, but it works, you know. But this shit is just ass. That's not as God intended it, you know. Okay. Oh wait. Okay. Forgot what I was gonna do. Oh yeah, I'm gonna run. Let's see. I'm gonna replace with. So it's gonna replace 1 with 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, 5. Fingers crossed. Oh, wait a minute. It's because let's see, so it is because, where's my replace function at? Let's see what cursor is at this point. Can I do that? Alright, let's see how that works. Where are you at? Replace. Be as brave as you can be. Childlike love, fantasy, the world, the mystery for you and me. Miracle adventure too. Say a wish waits for you. Beating of your heart will see you through. You think you can't go on, give it another try. Oh, because replace was before show structure. Okay, so if I were to, because this updates after that happens, so if I were to do cursor minus, then what happens was it decrements cursor to go a bit before, and it replaces whatever is there. So that means it should be 5, 4, 3, 2, 5 now. Fingers crossed. Hail Mary, bitch. Alright. Alright, so let's keep going. I do need to make a copy constructor. So remind me to do that, okay? void clear. So clear. I'm gonna look at the books implementation real quick because I know there is a clear function in the vector class. So I think clear could also be synonymous with empty, and if that's the case, then we just equal size to be 0. So, and this is straight from the book, so this is not, I mean, I'm using this as a reference. Might need to, I was about to say take, I'm not taking anything, I'm using it as a reference. Haha, book stuff. So I took that one logic with the cursor from the size. Yeah. Sorry, I'm really tired. But yeah, I think if I just make the size 0. So let's do that. I think I'd want to do this also. This size equals 0. Control D. I pressed Control D, by the way. This dot cursor equal to 0. So if I do that, let's pop this into REPL. Be as brave as you can be, childlike love, fantasy, the word, the mystery for healing, a miracle adventure too. See which waits for you, and your heart will see you through. Alright, let's see what happens. And then when I do clear and then test show structure again, so what I should do for test show structure is if there's nothing there, then list is empty. Yep, output's empty list. So where are you at? If size is equal to 0, cout. Oh, I can't. That's a character literal. Fuck you. Empty list. Suck it, nerd. Else. I don't need that. I have friendship. Bang. Show structure. Bang. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Haha, let's go, baby. I like to see that. I like to see that. Alright, let's keep it going though. Let's keep it going. Oh wait. If I have to do is empty. Because I want it to be, I mean, I kind of have to use the function, like it's there. Let's make sure that works though. Get away from me. So now our next thing is to go to beginning. Well, that's it. Alright, go to beginning, create definition, and then we just do this dot cursor equal to 0. Go to end. So I think we do this dot cursor is equal to size. this dot cursor equal to size this, and don't ask me what the difference between this, what this is. I genuinely, I think, okay, actually I see it. It points to whatever the list data type is, I think, or whatever the object is. That's my understanding of it. I really would, nobody's just been able to explain that to me, so, yeah. So with that, we can start seeing if our replace, or not replace, our remove function works. So if you recall at the beginning of the stream, I first did a remove function, but because it was at the end of the list, it didn't really make much sense. It kind of just felt like a pop back. So with me being able to choose where the cursor goes now, I should be able to, oh, I thought somebody was going to open the door. So with me being able to choose where my cursor is located, I can finally start debugging this and seeing if this works. Because this code is, I don't really trust that. So yeah. Hopefully I don't get like flagged for this, because I really like streaming, but I know some people like are prone to like copy code and shit. Oh, get cursor. Why is 055? Is that because when I did replace, it didn't update? Yeah. So that means I didn't update it in the... That's funny. Ain't no holla back girl, 'cause I ain't no holla back girl. Dun, dun. You know what? Fuck it. This my shit. All the girls stop and speak like this. Few times been around that track. Ah, yeah, bro, I still mumble the lyrics. I have the lyrics right in front of me. It's tradition at this point. Run. Alright, bet. Alright. So... yeah. Dude, I think we're actually done. No fucking way. Bro, no shot. No shot we finished it. This shit was a bitch. What the... I mean, I have to do this, obviously, but... Bro, I thought this was way harder. Oh, wait, no. We didn't even test, like, remove and shit like that. Alright, let's do that. So, let's do this. So we do show structure. So then let's do our... test dot insert 7. Whoa. Okay. 7, 8, 9. Okay. So 7, 8, 9, and then right now, let's see, test. So after the 9th, so after this insertion, that means the cursor is at 0, 1. It's at number 2. So it's at the second spot. So if I do test.getCursor, it's going to output me, let's do cout. So after this, it's going to output me to what I want to do. Okay. Oh, it didn't output anything. Let's look at our code. Return this dot cursor. Okay. It should output. Oh wait, I put return this dot cursor when I should be doing cout test dot cursor. But although, should I have because it kind of, actually no, get cursor should return, and I should, okay, never mind. Huh? So after clear, that should that be a 3? After clear, cursor should be 0. When the heck do you get to... Oh, let's do this. Let's do this. So it outputs cursor every single time. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is at 0. And then 1, 2, 3. That makes sense. Yeah, okay, I can get behind that. So then, let's go test dot go to prior. So then let's do that again. And then we're going to go to prior again. And then after that is when we remove. And fingers crossed that the remove function works. If the remove function works, then I can go help my mom make some mishti. Oh, and I can do the rest later. Remove. Uh-oh. Dang, CPU's off the charts. Alright, so let's do test.show structure. Alright, so let's diagnose what happened. And I genuinely don't want to debug in Visual Studio. It's just trash to me. So let's go to remove. So something must be happening. Let's do this. Move. Um, let's do that. Okay. Okay. If size is equal to cursor. And then I'm pretty sure it's not gonna. I'm pretty sure size isn't equal to cursor, but in the case that it is, let's just do that. If it's a dot, because cursor wouldn't be like cursor is literally. Okay. So I can scratch that out. Okay, so the problem resides here. So for I is equal to size. Yeah, the problem definitely resides here. Okay, so let's do... Oh, this shit never fucking even works. Because it's supposed to output eyes. But it never outputs eyes. Okay. So this for loop just never runs at all. At any capacity. So I think what needs to happen is I should be equal to cursor, because we're starting from there. Cursor minus 1, because we established that oh, right here. So 0, 1, 2. And then if I go to prior 2 times, that means I'm at 1. That kind of works, though, low-key. I should probably have a get data thing function. Because that sounds like it'll... fuck it. I is less than equal to size. Then I plus plus. Let's do that. Okay. 892. Okay. Hey, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Hey. Bro, hell yeah. Because I wanted to remove 7. The first thing in the list. So, first position, bang, and then it goes up 1. So cursor is 0. Oh, let me... So, cursor is... Dude, I'm so glad I woke up at 4 a.m. to do this. To start doing this. I mean, I didn't start. I started yesterday. I started the day of the lab. Got, like, a little bit done, relatively speaking. And then Friday, I asked for, like, a bunch of help because, like, my shit just was not working at all. Shout out to, I'm sorry, I never got it. I got his name, but then I forgot it. But then, like, my data type, my like variables just were never working. My default constructor was just on the fritz. But the thing is, my default constructor was always working. It's literally Visual Studio was bugging out. It kept giving me the glitch, like, it's probably going to show up here. Screw you. Now you don't want to show the glitch. Yeah, right here. So, what kept happening was it would use the old source because for some reason my source file would just not show up despite it being right here. The Visual Studio just could not recognize it for the life of itself. So like it would always replay the same mistakes from like 2 or 3 iterations before. and that was just bugging me out to high hell because I knew I was doing like something right. The only thing that was wrong was my data types, data items. But it was what was weird to me was size wasn't incrementing, or cursor and size were not initializing. Um, but yeah, Rapsicurio was, dude. He was telling me like, yeah, your data items, your data type needs to be initialized correctly, and then once he told me that, like, it was smooth sailing from there. Like, I was able to. I need to fix inserts. Yep, that's the big thing. Um, okay. Um, so dang, the CPU's going mad. Oh, oh, why is it showing two? Did I? Show structure. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute. Remove, alright, let's do before and after. So let's do test.show structure. So it should be 789 before the show structure, and it should be 89 after the show structure. Okay, so something's happening. I think I know what's happening. I think I need to update size. Because if I'm removing a whole thing, I can't have that. And then size minus, because I'm shifting everything. But then, do I update cursor also? And should I make it this? No, what's happening? Ah, it's getting close to its limit. If this goes on, I'm afraid Repulson's not gonna. I'm gonna shut up. That sounded really fucking cringe. I like that. I like that. I like that. Okay. Um, let's test the insert. So let's go up one. So let's do test. Go to next. And then after this, I'm gonna make like case statements, and I guess go from there. I don't fucking know. Let's go to show structure and then. Wait, what the fuck is this? Oh, okay. Let's go to show structure. Where you at? Where you at? Where you at? Wombo combo. Show structure, and then let's go to, where is that? I think it's at remove. I don't even know what the fuck I'm looking at now. Oh! Holy crap. So... I need to go to... Okay, so show structure. What I need to do is make that shit, like, right after the fucking thing. If I do that, then all will be clear, because then it'll make, like, a different, like, line and shit. Okay, yeah, I like that. Okay, so now we're at that position. What we need to do is test dot insert, because we're at position 1, and we need to insert. Let's insert. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Because 7, 8, 9. Oh my god! We're removing this. Oh wait, no, I can't, because I can't pop. I don't want to pop off, because that doesn't make the code work. You know what? Fuck you. Fuck this. How can I fit this? Alright, I'm not thinking clearly. Why was 6 afraid of 7? Let's insert 6, and then let's show structure. Let's also... Okay. So what's happening is it inserted it into the position that 9 was at. So it's supposed to... It's at the 1th position right now. So that's 0, 1. That's what we want it to do. But what's supposed to happen is... I'm supposed to shift everything to the right. So 9 is supposed to be here. And so this code works. I got a message. Oh. So this code works. I just need to add the rest of it. So let's do this. What the fuck was that? Oh. Okay. And then week 2. Alright, so this code works. I just need to add the insert shit, like shifting everything to the right. Do I want to do that today, though? Kind of want to go to sleep, but I drank coffee, so I'm not going to be able to go to sleep. So, yeah, that's pretty fun. Sorry, I was looking at something really funny. Let's see. Insert. So what I want to do... Actually, you know what? Let's look at the description. Alright, so list is not full, so I need to make a is full. Insert item after cursor. After cursor? After cursor. After cursor. After, so after cursor. 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 Fuck. After. Dude. After cursor. After cursor. After. After cursor. After cursor. Okay. After cursor. After cursor. After. What do you mean after cursor? All right, let's just do this. Let's do. So I'm pretty sure I plus 1 is equal to I. Okay, yeah, this is literally the same logic here. But then instead of I, it's just I plus 1 is equal to I. And then we do the cursor bullshit. So yeah, let's see how that works. That's close. That's close. What the fuck? What the fuck? 8, 9. I plus 1. See out. Let's do this. Let's see out what these things are. So I know what I'm swapping with. No. Oh, that shit fucks up everything. Actually, no. That's my intended shit. Okay, that's good. That's good. That's really good. Thank the Lord. 8, 6. Alright, so we have 7, 8, 9. We remove 7 from the list, right? And then this is our go-to position. So we have 9, 8. And then 8 becomes 8. And then 5 becomes 8 somehow. Where the fuck is 5? I plus 1. So I plus 1 is equal to 9. Where does that 1 come from? So insert 6. Then that the show structure happens. I'm so fucking confused where that 5 comes from. Okay, so get cursor, so that's 1. So that's the get cursor. And then I insert 6. Where's 8 equal 8? Shifting items to the right. Why is this so difficult? Dude, my brain can't process just shifting items to the right. I think that's why. Cursor minus 1. I don't think I need that. Let's see. $869, baby! Woo! Yeah, baby! That's what I've been waiting for. That's what it's all about. Woo! Okay. Yeah. Good shit. I'm gonna clean that up maybe tomorrow or Monday, because I do have the time. This is due in, I think, 4 days. Yeah. So I got my insert down. I think what I need to work on is... You know what I need to work on? You know what I need to work on? This is an ADT. Ah, my eyes are burning. This is an ADT, meaning that I think the other sample that it tells me to give is a list character. So that's gonna be really, really fun. Let's take that out. So let's do this. I'm gonna comment out everything because this is I like this test case. I like these test cases. I am so hungry right now. I think if I do Control K, Control Shift K, Control there it is. Okay. if I do control slash, I can X out, control X, control V, get away from me and my main. So let's do list care, and let's care for 5 items. Test cout is empty. Oops, care. Is empty? Yes, it is empty. Okay, so then care dot insert. And we're inserting a character, right? So let's insert A. Please don't blow. Oh, it blew up, but that's just because jihad. One. Oh, this is the character, not the. That's this freaking Unicode. The fucking ASCII. This is ASCII. Oh my god. What the fuck? That's fucking amazing. Hold on. That's. I mean, it's not really amazing. This is painful. Let's do show structure. Please be the letter A. Yes! Thank you, Lord. Because I don't need to output. I don't need to output my insert function. I have to output my show structure. So if I were to do the whole fucking I thought somebody walked in on me fucking... That would have been awkward. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time won't you code with me? When the blazing sun is gone, when nothing shines upon, when you show your little light, twinkle, twinkle all the night, twinkle, twinkle little star, how I wonder what you are. Ah, 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 ah. Ah, 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 ah. Ah. Oh, man. Man, what a productive ass fucking morning. Holy shit. Holy fucking shit. Man. Oh. Oh my god, people were chatting? No, come back! I didn't think people were... Oh my god. When did they say this? Oh, I'm so sorry. I didn't think people were actually watching. Alright, I'm gonna comment to him real quick. Let's see. I also have some, like, weird thumbnails on the side, so I'm not gonna show anything. Nothing, like, inappropriate, but it's, like, weird. So it's like, if you guys know who Penguin Z0 is, like, his thumbnails can really get you. Uh, oh man, bro, I genuinely didn't think. All right, so I'm gonna um, Cincho. Aw, bro, that's so bro. There, I mean, obviously nobody knows this, and probably nobody will. If you actually made it to like this fucking the fourth, the what is this, the 11th hour? All right, actually no, we just passed 1 hour. But if you made it to the 11th hour, you're a real one, obviously. And this channel used to have a huge Vietnamese following, relatively speaking, and like interacting with Vietnamese people again. It's really cool. Um, but yeah, hopefully those guys didn't like unsubscribe. Who's watching? I think I'm watching right now. But yeah, that's sad that I didn't get to see them. Like I didn't see them chat in real time. But yeah, this was fun. What I need to do, I can't celebrate just yet. I need to initialize my copy constructor. Let's see. So I need to do that with the operator overload. Okay. Oh, that's right here. That's right here. Holy shit. Oh, holy fucking shit. I remember, I think I did this super early because with operator, you have to do it inside the class itself. But I don't remember doing this. That's the thing. Like, I think I did it like my first day. I think, oh, no. I remember. So on Thursday, which is, not Thursday, on Wednesday when this lab was assigned, this was like one of the first things I was doing. Because it's like one of the first things in the thing. So like I was just looking and looking like out of desperation. I was looking like I was putting this in the implementation file, so this thing, and it was just simply just not working. Also, I think I got the swap from the vector class. That's where I was looking at the reference. So if you see, there it is. I got it from this part right here. So just swapping the size and stuff like that. That's where I look to it for reference. I still need to actually test it out and stuff like that. And I was just looking and looking like why my code wasn't working. And I found out that you can't do an overload function. Oh, apparently you can't do an overload function. In here, the overload function has to be in the class. I'm going to have to research that a bit more, and I'll ask the professor, honestly. Let's check the chat. Dude, that's really cool that people are actually chatting. I'm so sorry. I really hope I see them again. I mean, I did comment on their videos. But yeah, it's really cool. I think I'm good for today, though. Probably just play some video games and get on with my day, and then do the rest tomorrow. Yeah. Hey, 1 hour mark, baby. Bro, it's amazing what you can accomplish with 1 hour, grit, determination, coffee, a fuck ton of coffee, and nobody to interrupt you. Yeah. Good work. Have a great day. I want to leave like right when when the hour mark hits. That way, like, I've done everything that I need to do. So it's just awkward silence right now. 3